there are many types of social media platforms that you can use to promote your YouTube channel. But in this video, I'm just going to talk about two of them. I'm going to talk about Facebook and Instagram. Now, when you're posting on Facebook, just keep in mind that Facebook doesn't like people putting links on there that will take people away from Facebook. So don't just put a YouTube link on there, because otherwise Facebook will not let your post be seen. So just put the videos directly on there and make sure to tell viewers to subscribe or take some form of action that is beneficial to your channel. For example, you could tell them to also hit the like button or to check out more videos by clicking on the links on the video. And in the beginning, when you first create your YouTube channel and you don't have too many views or subscribers, what you can do is you can create a Facebook fan page and use your personal Facebook account to promote your Facebook fan page and also your YouTube channel. But it is difficult to use Facebook to promote your YouTube channel. And probably one of the best social media platforms to promote your YouTube channel is Instagram. I think it goes hand in hand with YouTube. However, in my opinion, it's best to use Instagram as more of a branding tool. So don't just use Instagram to promote your latest videos, but to also promote yourself and your brand.